Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today we're looking at the iPhone 13 Pro and its LiDAR scanning technology. Now I did this exact same video a year ago with the iPhone 12 Pro, and basically the difference is the iPhone 13 Pro versus the 12 Pro, and then the app is the same app but it's been greatly updated. So as soon as you start scanning, you'll start with the low res option. They recommend that for large objects, as you see here. So I wanted to scan my car into 3D and basically replicate it in a virtual space and then maybe even 3D print it. So the same issues from before that I faced are still present, and that is the glass is very hard to scan. So some people suggest that I put paper or another kind of matte surface that's non-reflective or non-see-through to help. Some people even suggested powders or things like that to help the reflection of the LiDAR back to the phone. So what you'll see here is a fairly well-detailed car aside from the missing windows, and I'm very impressed with the improvement of the software from last year. So the car has a lot more detail, and if the car, or if I prepped it right or prepped the surfaces right, I'm sure I could get a really good scan out of this. So it's really cool being an added feature, something that's just added to the phone, for everyone to use if they wanted to. So what you can see here is you can also drop the objects into AR, so augmented reality space. So for me, I just wanted to see what two cars look like next to each other. It'd be really nice if I could just clone my car, but I can't do that. And then one other thing you can do is take this model and then export it and then 3D print it or prep it in different ways. So you can see it's fairly detailed compared to how the app performed last year. So hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe.